Okay, so we're back at the orchard, picking up some more of my latest acquisition, just like pretty much a commercial sawmill. It's a beautiful spot. Used to cut all the wood right here by the lake. Anyway, that's the rest of it. It's a lot of stuff to move, but right there I've already cut through, and then I'm gonna make a few more sections, maybe one more cut. Have to see about the trailer and whatnot that I can rent. And this is the trolley that grips the logs and rolls up and down the rails to where the blade was spinning here, and it cuts the log, and then you pull the handle here and it moves this thing out whatever you want. There's different measurements here, so you can make inch boards, 1.5 inches, 2 inch, whatever. And yeah, another crazy project. And this thing caught on fire. So you can see that one timber there, that's actually part of the mill. And there's an axle there, and that's one of the rims where the rubber burned right off. And so how that trolley runs, it goes up and down all this steel and that cable and that drum down there. Move the trolley back and forth. Here's part of an old 1900s pulley, belt driven pulley that was on some piece of equipment here. So there's the axle that they welded on, which is attached to an I-beam. It's actually a front axle. You could see right there where the tie rods would connect, but it's all welded solid. So I might just take one section off and mount the tongue on there and tow the whole thing, but that's kind of crazy. So there's the PTO shaft that would be running off of a tractor, back PTO off a tractor, and the shaft runs over there to those belts and pulleys, and then steps up with that steel to the other shaft that's got the blade on it. And this one's been changed over to a hydraulic drive, which I actually like, because the turn of the century, they had a bunch of flat belts here, and you just pull on it and it tightened a belt and it would move things like sort of like a belt clutch mechanism. Anyway, that's the beast. And there's the front. So if you were out in the wilderness making lumber, they just attach onto that, put the wheels on down there, move the whole thing closer to where the wood is. Thanks, YouTube. Bye.